Alright guys, we're gonna set up the AFC Shotgun game for this Sunday, Tennessee versus Kansas City. Again, if the score total is 32-19, total score will be 51. Whoever has 1 will be the winner. And we're gonna random the numbers now. So we're gonna add into the random.org. We're gonna go live 3:09 here in Antwerp. There's your time. There's your list for the AFC Shotgun, 1 through 10. And we're going to roll 9 times. And 9. That's the list. So I'm going to copy that. And paste it in there. And we're done. I'll go ahead and set the list. 310 here, guys. Thanks for playing. Good luck, everybody. Till next time.